The 5 most important money lessons most people learn too late in life. Money lessons might be the most difficult to learn on this life's journey. Most individuals struggle with money later in life because no one teaches them the necessary real-world financial lessons. As a result, we continue to pursue money while feeling broke at the end of the day. Here are some critical money lessons I wish I had learned sooner rather than later. Maybe you may learn something from this open note to yourself as well. 1. You will work till you die if you don't make money while you sleep. This is my favorite Warren Buffett phrase, and it's also quite accurate. It's odd that Warren Buffett has been reported as stating this, despite the fact that at 90 he's still working and has an estimated net worth of $80 billion, but this is by choice, which won't be the case for everyone. Naturally, no one wants to work until they die, yet many do because they never learn what it takes to divide their time and money. Unfortunately, the school teaches us skills that we can use to get work and make money, but there is no necessary education for managing that money once it starts to flow in. So, let me now give you the education that school never did. Here's a quick tactic you may use to delay working until you're in adult diapers. To enable yourself to save money each month, start by working to establish at least 2 to 3 stable sources of income. Then, restrict your spending to a realistic amount. Then make investments in assets that will increase in value, such as stocks and real estate, which can both assist pay for your costs as you age. Repeat this procedure until your assets can sustain your financial needs, and you're done. 2. Salary increases are a huge letdown. Increasing your pay at work is a bear trap. But a raise in your pay reduce the number of issues you have to deal with? Nope. Therefore, there is no purpose in continuously seeking more pay. Fewer issues are what you want, not more money. Your troubles will miraculously get better as your happiness gets better if you work at something you love, develop a side business, and value your time more. That is what is missed. 3. Your greatest asset is you. Not your shares or your 5-story mansion, but you should be crowned as your greatest blessing. You are the one who works hard to make money, thus you deserve the best investment from yourself. Investing in oneself entails being educated and expanding one's knowledge through further training, reading materials, and podcasts. You never know where your education and talents will take you, so never stop studying. 4. The true value of money is freedom. Many people equate wealth with fancy cars, expensive handbags, yachts, planes, international trips, and jewels, but the true value of money is time and freedom. The ability to select what you do with your time in life. Money cannot buy happiness, but it may give you a greater chance of living a full and meaningful life by allowing you to select who you work for, where you work, and when you work. You get to choose who you spend your time with since you are not required to be away from your family and loved ones for a day job. 5. Everything has a price, tagged or hidden. Nothing is free in today's competitive world. Everything must be paid in cash or in intangibles. The cost of being promoted to a higher and more demanding job at work, for example, is less time spent with loved ones. Once you get the idea of this concept, you'll realize that certain things such as time and relationships are just as precious as money. That's all I got for you today. Do not forget to click the first link in the description to reprogram your mind for success, wealth, and financial growth, and you will discover your true power. Thanks for watching.